I'm Corey, and today I'm going to show you how to enter the product and rate information for your application data into the FieldView CAB app. Then, we're going to collect that data while in the field so you can analyze it later to see what worked and what didn't. The first thing you want to do is make sure your FieldView drive is connected in your tractor with the correct applicator selected as your equipment. Be sure it's paired to your iPad device. We covered that in the previous section, but if you need a refresher, click the link below to open that video. Then, you'll want to enter your application information into the FieldView CAB app by following these steps. With the FieldView CAB app open, tap on Settings, then Applications, then tap on Add New Application. Here, you'll want to enter an application name that is unique and can be remembered, and then tap Next. You can always change this name at a later date. The next screen will ask you for an application type. Choose from granular or liquid. When the next page opens, use the control in the upper right to select whether products will be entered by rate or by amount. Enter products by rate if you want to enter the amount of each product that will be applied by acre. When entering by rate, it's necessary to enter the application base rate. Then, start adding products by tapping on Add Products at the bottom of the screen. On the Products screen, you can scroll down to the list of common products, type in your product name to generate common products with that name, or add a custom product. After adding the product, enter the rate or the amount of product that will be applied and tap Done. Now that you're in the cab at your field with GPS and ready to start your application, make sure to change the active field you're in using the Map selector by tapping on the map icon on the homepage of the FieldView CAB app and then selecting the field from your Fields dropdown. Or, if you have your screen set to Auto Field Boundary Detection in your map options, the FieldView CAB app will automatically change the active field and collect the corresponding application data when you enter a new field boundary. You can set Auto by tapping on the map icon from the FieldView CAB app home screen, tap Map Options, then select Auto under Field Boundary Detection. That's it. Now you're ready to roll with your applicator to start capturing that application data for your field. And you'll be able to visualize that data while it's being captured right on the FieldView CAB app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need additional assistance collecting application data for your fields, please contact our support team at 1-888-924-7475. And be sure to click to watch the next video on harvest data capture. Other videos in this playlist feature answers to frequently asked questions like, how do I upload my data? Or how do I install my FieldView drive? Subscribe to our channel to get notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching.